Welcome back, home enthusiasts. We're at trustedshoppingguide.com, and today we're in the home. In this video, two home gym brands will be going head-to-head. We have the Marcy Home Gym and the Bowflex Xceed Home Gym. Home gyms are the best option if you're short on time or want to exercise at your own pace. You wouldn't have to waste time commuting or driving to the gym just to discover that it's jam-packed with other gym goers. The convenient gym sets provides all the benefits of full-blown equipment, but at lower cost over time. With their increasing popularity, two of the most highly rated home gyms will go head-to-head in today's brand awards to determine which one is best for you. In the red corner, earning a 5-badge rating from our team at Trusted Shopping Guide, is the Marcy Home Gym. And in the blue corner, also earning a 5-badge rating from our team, is the Bowflex Xceed Home Gym. Today's prize is eternal glory, so let's get ready to rumble. If you're interested in the other home gyms that we reviewed, do check out our home gym review video link below. If you want direct links to the products themselves, all these links are also listed below too. So without further ado, let's start the brand wars. The first category that these home gyms will be going toe-to-toe with would be their versatility. Be sure to evaluate your needs first before you buy your home gym and determine what you want to achieve. There is a wide range of home gyms that have a variety of different accessories and options, so it would be best to do a bit of research before making your purchase. The Marcy Home Gym combines 3 different strength building machines into a single compact design, allowing you to perform more than 100 exercises. The set features multifunctional press arms, a dual action-like developer, and an Olympic free weight rack. On the other hand, Bowflex enables you to do more than 65 full-body workouts for the chest, shoulders, back, arms, abs, and legs. It also provides as much as 210 pounds of resistance for its Bowflex power rods. It's pretty clear that Marcy offers a wider range of exercises compared to its competitor, making it completely dominate this first round. The second category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with would be their construction. A well-constructed machine will be able to provide a quality workout as well as reduce the chance of injury. On top of that, a solid build also contributes to the home gym's longevity. Marcy is an overall well-constructed machine that allows you to do quality workouts. It is made with a heavy-duty steel frame with a durable powder-coated finish. It also comes with a super sturdy aircraft cable with a tensile strength of 2,000 pounds, allowing for long-lasting use. Much like the competition, Bowflex is made with a heavy-duty steel frame that ensures shape retention and longevity. This allows you to do your workout safely and confidently every time. Since Marcy allows you to lift heavier weights and perform a broader variety of workouts, it's no doubt that it's designed stronger and more sturdy. That being said, we'll be giving another round to Marcy. The third category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with would be their size and weight. Since you'll be placing this in your home, be sure to have enough room for your set. The more compact a set is, the more ideal it'll be for small spaces. Marcy measures 95 by 79 by 86 inches and weighs 430 pounds, so be sure to have enough space in your home for this rather large unit. Also, we suggest placing this in a permanent spot since you'll have to disassemble it first if you plan on repositioning this heavy unit. On the flip side, the Bowflex measures 53 by 49 by 82 inches and weighs 157 pounds. This is a relatively compact and lightweight unit on its own, so you won't have a hard time moving this around if you plan on redecorating. Since we're placing these gym sets inside the house, the more compact and lightweight one will definitely be the better choice. For that, we'll be giving the point to Bowflex in this round. The fourth category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with would be their seats. While doing exercises, you'll most likely be sitting on the exercise seat most of the time. This is why we highly suggest getting a set with a comfortable enough seat so that you can train for longer. Also, be sure to get an adjustable one that'll cater to your body size and exercise needs. Marcy features an adjustable back pad and seat pad for maximum comfort. It also has adjustment angles ranging from -13 to 81 degrees. Similar to Marcy, Bowflex features an adjustable, quick-release seat with a polyurethane high-density foam cushion. In this category, both these gym sets are conveniently adjustable and feature comfortable seats for maximum training efficiency. With no set having an advantage over the other in this category, we'll be giving a point to both of them. The fifth category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with would be their installation process. You wouldn't want to spend the whole day assembling the set, so be sure to get a set that's easy to install. Also, we suggest getting one with clear instructions to help expedite the setting up process. Marcy, despite having numerous components, is relatively easy to assemble as long as you keep the parts organized. The instructions are also clear and detailed, which ensures a quick installation process. Meanwhile, Bowflex includes instructions that are clear and simple. The set also contains step-by-step pictures and schematics, which makes it relatively easy to set up compared to most home gyms. Taking into consideration the size and number of components, we can say for sure that both sets are easy to install. Both of them also have detailed instructions which will guide you along the process. Considering these factors, we have no choice but to end this round in a tie. The sixth and final category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with would be their ease of use. You wouldn't want a set that's too complicated to operate. When it comes to home gyms, simplicity and ease of use are the priorities, so be sure to get one that doesn't require a lot of adjusting to get you started. Marcy is easy to install overall, and it doesn't need a heap of adjustments for you to go from one workout to the next. However, you need to buy separate weights since the set doesn't include plates. Unlike the competition, Bowflex has everything you need for a full body workout. You won't need to buy a set of weights to get you started, since the training you'll be getting comes from its resistance cables. When it comes to ease of use, we'll have to give this round to Bowflex since the set will offer you everything you need to get started right out of the box. It is finally time to decide the winner of today's brand wars. We now go to the scorecards, and surprisingly, the Marcy Home Gym and the Bowflex Xceed Home Gym are tied at 44. Marcy dominated in terms of versatility and construction, with it being the larger set. We recommend it for heavy lifters who are willing to spend more and who have a good amount of space in their home. Bowflex, on the other hand, is more compact and easy to use, which makes it great for women who want to tone their bodies or for individuals who are starting their fitness journey. With all the facts laid out, it is up to you to decide which home gym would best suit your needs. And there you have it, folks. The battle between the Marcy Home Gym and the Bowflex Xceed Home Gym has finally ended. If you have any contenders for a next home gym face-off which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comment section below and we'll be sure to assess them for a next update. If you like this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our homes great. We look forward to seeing you at the trustedshoppingguide.com again soon.